In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube homepage videos not loading. Let's get started. First, make sure that the internet connection is working properly by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue gets fixed. After that, completely close the YouTube app. Now clear cache for the app, so on settings, go to the option general, click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now click on offload app and confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on reinstall app. For the Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app. Select the option App Info, click on Storage, click on Clear Cache and confirm it. Next up, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, then search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, if you see the option Update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. You should also restart your phone because temporary system glitches can sometimes stop videos from loading properly. If the issue still continues, sign out of your YouTube account and then sign in back. Likewise, disable any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it, since VPN sometimes interfere with YouTube servers. Finally, if none of these solutions work, completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.